Does your blood type reveal your lifespan? The real truth about longevity. Many people wonder whether blood type A, B, AB, or O can reveal how long someone will live. This topic often appears in health articles and is frequently linked to diets, disease risk, and even secret formulas for longevity. But what does science actually say? What is a blood type? Blood type is determined by the ABO blood group system, which classifies blood based on specific antigens found on the surface of red blood cells. In addition, there is also the Rh factor, positive or negative. Your blood type is inherited genetically and remains the same throughout your life. Does blood type affect longevity? The honest answer is, there may be a small connection, but it is not a major determinant of lifespan. This topic is often misunderstood. Many people assume blood type can predict longevity. In reality, medical science views blood type as only a minor biological factor among many much stronger influences. How could blood type influence health? Blood type affects certain biological processes inside the body. Blood clotting and cardiovascular risk. People with non-O blood types, ABAB, tend to have higher levels of clotting proteins such as von Willebrand factor, BWF, and factor VIII. This may lead to increased blood clot formation, higher risk of blocked arteries, greater likelihood of cardiovascular problems. Because heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, this mechanism may slightly influence overall lifespan. By comparison, people with blood type O generally have lower clotting factor levels, which may modestly reduce clot-related risks. 2. Immune response and inflammation. Blood type antigens also affect how the immune system interacts with infections and inflammation. Research suggests certain blood types may be more vulnerable to specific infections. Chronic inflammation may contribute to degenerative diseases. However, these effects are inconsistent across different populations and are not strong enough to predict lifespan on their own. 3. Brain health and aging. Some studies have suggested that people with blood type AB may have a slightly higher risk of cognitive decline or dementia, but this is important. These studies show correlation, not direct causation. Factors such as education, mental stimulation, physical activity, sleep quality, social engagement, have a much stronger influence on brain aging than blood type. How strong is the effect? Scientifically speaking, the influence of blood type on longevity is considered small to moderate at most. Compare that with these much more powerful risk factors: smoking, high blood pressure, poor diet, physical inactivity, diabetes, chronic stress. These factors have dramatically larger effects on lifespan than blood type ever could. Blood type and heart disease. There is a real connection between blood type and heart disease, but it is indirect. Blood type does not directly cause heart disease. Instead, it may slightly alter certain biological risk factors. Clotting mechanisms. Non-O blood types tend to produce higher clotting activity. This can contribute to atherosclerosis, blood vessel blockage, heart attacks, stroke risk, cholesterol and inflammation. Some studies suggest blood type A may be associated with slightly higher LDL cholesterol. Certain blood groups may trigger stronger inflammatory responses. Both factors can accelerate artery damage and worsen coronary artery disease. Cholesterol and inflammation. Some studies suggest blood type A may be associated with slightly higher LDL cholesterol. Certain blood groups may trigger stronger inflammatory responses. Both factors can accelerate artery damage and worsen coronary artery disease. Immune system interaction. Blood group antigens also influence interactions between the immune system and microorganisms. Possible effects include low-grade chronic inflammation, damage to blood vessel lining, endothelium, faster plaque buildup inside arteries. How much higher is the risk? Large studies suggest that people with non-O blood types may have about a 5 to 15% higher risk of heart disease compared with type O. Some studies show blood type AB having the highest relative risk, but this is critical to understand. The increase is relatively small. A person with low-risk blood type can still develop serious heart disease if their lifestyle is unhealthy. Lifestyle matters far more. The following factors have a much greater impact on heart disease and longevity. Smoking, diet high in saturated fat, excess salt intake, lack of exercise, high blood pressure, diabetes, poor sleep, chronic stress. These lifestyle choices influence lifespan far more strongly than blood type. The real conclusion: blood type may influence clotting, inflammation, and disease susceptibility, can slightly affect cardiovascular risk, plays a small biological role in overall health, but it does not determine how long you will live. It cannot predict your lifespan. It should never be treated as a health destiny. The best ways to live longer are still the same for every blood type. Eat a balanced diet. Stay physically active, control blood pressure, maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Sleep well, manage stress, avoid smoking, get regular medical checkups. In the end, longevity is shaped far more by daily habits and overall health management than by the letter on your blood type card.